Okay, good morning everybody. Here's a small detail on the Porsche 928, the 1979 model Allison's car. Underneath right there is where the muffler exhaust heat shield goes. And if you remember from a previous video, these right here are the exhaust shield protectors that cover the muffler and the catalytic converter. If there was a catalytic converter, I don't remember on this car if there is or was, but anyways, those are blasted and those are in the nice high heat paint. Going back over to this shield area underneath the back, here's the shield. The way Porsche built this is how it mounts. Let me just get underneath the car and show you. And this is kind of an interesting situation, which probably is often ignored. And perhaps even not only ignored, but completely ignored. And I'm going to just put this in place, recover the camera, and show you just what I'm talking about. Okay. This is how it goes and how it is mounted underneath the car. What Porsche did was this panel right here, let me back it up a bit. This panel right here, I apologize for the optics, but I'm very close and I had to back up to -0.5. But this panel right here was spot welded to the top panel. So there was an area where rust was getting into. The rust was penetrating in on top. That's just the way they built the car. So I drilled out those spot welds, removed, I had to actually cut the piece of metal off that was all boogered up. I made a replacement panel piece to go in here and trying to replicate the spot weld holes. But I determined after putting it in that it didn't fit right. So I said, well, let me just butt weld the original piece to the top piece. So by doing that, I ended up cutting off a little bit more of this panel, and then I had to put in a small piece of the original panel back in place to accommodate for the curve here. So I butt welded this panel to this panel, utilizing probably 90%, 95% of the galvanized metal. Now, out of that 95% of the galvanized metal, probably 95% of the galvanizing effects are gone from it now, from the heat, the welding, grinding, sanding, etc. So now I'm going to, of course, unmount it, take it out, and I'm going to paint it in that same high heat paint. But this is a small little detail of these cars that perhaps are overlooked. I don't even think perhaps, I think they absolutely are overlooked, and they're not even paid attention to. So something like that will keep rusting, and it's a systemic, it represents a systemic problem on these cars, or any car you do. But it didn't really take that much time to fix. It didn't take much time at all to render a repair. And this repair is actually a little bit better than stock because both pieces are butt welded together. So there's no place for water, rust, etc. to congregate and then promote rust and corrosion. So I'm going to now prime this or paint this, and I'll put a couple pictures at the end of the video of it. Okay? See ya. Bye-bye. Tschüss.